Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. In this video I'm going to show you an experiment that I'm doing, and one that I've done long ago, and it's proven to really work really well. It's propagating through cuttings. Now I have Okinawa and longevity spinach right over here. I put diatomaceous earth on it because it had a little bit of an infestation of aphids. But I have longevity on this side, Okinawa spinach on this side, and I have a very large, for the age it is, Cherimoya. This was about 10 feet tall, and I've been cutting from it to propagate. I'm going to try to propagate this through cuttings, and let's see how it goes. They do really well by seed, but I want to see how it does with cuttings. So you can see I just chop and drop. I just drop the leaves, the lower 2/3 of a limb. So let's say like right here, I'm going to cut this one today. I would cut it right around here, or probably just below the node in a diagonal. I would take off all these leaves except the top few, and then I would scrape. I'm going to show you right now in the bottle, in the jar of water, all the cuttings. I'm going to show you the scrapes. I scrape upwards the bark material, so when it's in water it could absorb water a little bit easier. So right here you can see the jar of water with Cherimoya and Okinawa and longevity spinach. Here's the Okinawa longevity. I'm going to be putting more in here. Here's the Cherimoya. You can see the scraping. I hope it comes out. You see right here, up here, right over here. I scrape the bark off just barely to help absorb water, and not just from the bottom. Now on the bottom, try to cut them in a diagonal to have more surface area, soak up more water, but you want to scrape. I've noticed that by scraping you get more root coming out of those locations. Now Okinawa and longevity spinach do really well in water. They're the easiest plant to propagate in water. Just have to change out the water every day, and you're going to see roots come out within a week or two, especially if it's warm like it is right now. Cherimoya, I'm just leaving them in here for a day, and then I'm going to put them in soil. I firmly believe they're not going to make it in water. They're probably going to rot out very easily. Another thing that I found beneficial is keeping the top leaves intact. But as you can see with this leaf, it was connected here. Look how big of a leaf that was. You want to cut off 2/3 of the leaf off, because they're just evaporating water like crazy, especially right now. So that's as much as I cut off the leaf. Look at that right there. So that's what you want to keep on the cuttings. So this is an experiment. I've never done cuttings from a Cherimoya before. I love Cherimoya. Very expensive fruit, very delicious, very sweet, and some varieties very flavorful. Okinawa and longevity, I have propagated many, so it's very easy to do this in water. You don't even need soil. I'll keep you guys up to date, and if it doesn't work, I'll also post that it didn't work. So we're gonna find out if having cuttings of Cherimoya will root. These will be going in the soil really soon, and I am gonna use rooting hormone as well. Happy gardening, everyone.